Hey my beauties, so welcome back, and if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing another Temu haul, and listen, I need to delete that app. I gotta stay up off that app. It don't make no sense. It's scary how affordable it is, y'all. If I buy another bag, like I'm gonna make a few more orders and I gotta be done. I have to be done. I need to take like a 2-month break. So let's get into the haul, y'all, because I got a big old package and I got some stuff to try on for you all. So let's get into it. Got some clothes. I'm pretty sure this is a 2-piece set. I will be trying this stuff on. What size did I get? I hope I got a medium because they stuff kind of run a little large. Yeah, I got a medium, just a 2-piece set, and it says essentials. So I got this eyeshadow palette and it's from Coco Urban, and the last palette that I got from this brand, it was really pigmented, which I do want to try out with you guys. And so I'm like, let me see if they have some more palettes. Really pretty. It's swatched okay, so I'm gonna see how it is on the eyes, but it's swatched okay. But the other palette that I have from them is swatched really well. I remember ordering this. This is a bag. OMG, okay. Ooh. Oh, that's what it looks like inside. This is totally my style. Oh, it comes with 2 straps. Okay, so you have the one that you could put over on your arm or over your shoulder. Then you have the other strap that you could wear as a crossbody. So here's the bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. I think they have this bag in black as well, but here is the inside. It does zip up, right? I am so confused. Okay, yeah, it zips up. Oh, and it has like a little, this is fancy. And it has like a little seat belt in your purse. This is totally my style. This is so cute. But yeah, I think they had it in black. So yeah, you can't tell me nothing now. I got on a sweatshirt and it's 80 degrees outside. Don't ask me why. Got another bag. Girl, hold on. I knew this bag was gonna be fire. Wait a minute. Okay, that didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but anyways, it was backwards. look at this tote bag. Look at the color. If this doesn't scream fall, I am totally wearing this in September, October, November, even in the winter. This is a fall bag. And then this is the inside, is black, and then it comes with the strap. You can put, once again, you can put your own strap on here. They have different colors in this suede bag, and I want the red one. I'm waiting for it to come back in stock. I had the chance to get it, but I was like, I want this brown one first because this screams fall. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is another bag. It's another bucket bag, so it's in the same material, like the suede material, as the tote bag, but I got it in the bucket bag. Oh my god, with some knee-high boots in the fall time. This is fall right here. Look at this. You cannot tell me this not cute. I'm gonna have every color in a minute. I got some nails. Thought these were cute. Trying to make sure you guys see the design, but got those. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, this is a shirt. Oh, I thought this was gonna it's like that spandex material, right? What material is this? I thought it was gonna be like a cotton. But anyways, this is a man's t-shirt. I like to go in the men's section and get their t-shirts because, you know, I got some boobs and I got a little stomach. I don't need no tight shirt, so I always go in the men's section. I seen these like Coco Chanel inspired shirts, so it says Coco Paris with the arrow and stuff. So I'm pretty sure you guys seen this design before. And this would be cute because I can like wear it with biker shorts or some jeans, and I can like tie it up. But I was expecting for this to be cotton, so, but it's still cute, you know. They had some roses online. I just picked up one because I wanted to see what it looks like. I love roses, red roses, but online it looked darker, or unless I picked a different. I know they had like the black rose, then they had the black and red rose, but I don't know, it just looked different online. But I mean, it's still cute. I'm still gonna use it. I like to collect fake roses. So I don't know, I just wanted to see how it looked. I don't know, I was just putting stuff in my cart. Like, I was just putting stuff in my cart. Come on now. Okay. Ugh, it won't stay up. Ugh. Whatever. We got another palette. This one is the Star Temptation palette, and it's from Coco Urban. It broke. Come on. One of my shades broke at the top. But this palette, I think it looked darker online. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna repress that. So it don't swatch too bad. This one is a cream shadow. Alright, so I got another shirt. It's the same shirt as the black and white shirt I just showed y'all. Yeah. So, I mean, I guess these are cute to like wear around the house or whatever, but I just thought it was going to be cotton, but it's not. I got some more nails. Super cute. I can't wait to wear those. I don't remember ordering these. I guess I did. I have to go back on my order and see, but these look like just some red manicured nails, like red French manicure nails. Ordered a, okay, so first of all, let's open this. The reason why I ordered this because it looked like it was a dupe for Fenty Beauty. This is a contour shade, and I got the shade Dark Skin. Number 03, so let's see how dark it is. Oh, okay, it ain't that bad. Oh, that's interesting and cute. Okay, it comes with a mirror. Let's go ahead and swatch it. It is cream. Oh. Okay. I mean, it's not that bad. This is so cute. Oh my god, like it's literally in the same shape as Fenty. It's so freaking cute. Ooh, we got some more glasses. Come with a nice case. Oh, is it red? Oh, it's red in the inside. Y'all know I like that. I went ahead and ordered some Blu-ray glasses. I do have some, but I wanted some cute ones. So let's put these on. This is what they look like on the frame on the side. Let's put these on. Oh, I gotta try these out. OMG. Oh, these are giving. They have different styles on there, so definitely check it out. I think this is another Fenty dupe. So you can tell this is a dupe for the Diamond. Is it Diamond Bomb from Fenty? I don't have that. I always wanted that. I don't know if it's still available. This is what it looks like. Super duper cute. Comes with a mirror, right? Yeah. So let's swatch it. Oh, it's soft. It's really nice, soft and creamy. Do I want to try it on? Yeah, let's try it on. I don't have any highlighter on right now. Can y'all see it right there? Temu. I mean, it's not bad. I feel like this would be a good base for like another highlighter. Don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. Okay, so yeah, it's a little dirty now, but ordered a tumbler. I know I just ordered some. So it comes with cleaning supplies. So this is the straw, and then this is the stuff to clean the tumbler. The other ones did not come with that. Oh, girl, oh, it's heavy. Oh, this, ooh. That was too much. Okay, that was too much when I put it up to the camera. That was just a little bit too much. OMG. It was between this one and the sparkly one, and I was going to get both. I said, Brianna, just get one. You best believe I'm going back on there and get the sparkly one. And I think they got it in black, and I think they got it in like multicolors. Get this cup. It feels heavy, okay? This is cute. Wow. And I think this was like $17 if I'm not mistaken. It wasn't that much. I'm getting the silver one. That, oh, ooh. Wait to payday. I'm getting the silver one. I'm just practicing this all. Alright, I got one more bag. So I got the same bag as the brown tote bag, but let me do it right this time. Okay. But I got it in black and white. Ooh. Ooh. Girl, listen. This is giving, don't talk to me, my bag costs, you think it cost a lot, but it didn't. Here's the strap. Y'all, here's the inside. It's black in the inside. Just doing everything it needs to do. Like I said, this style tote bag, it comes in different colors. I love black and white together. That's sharp. Okay, I don't like this little imprint right here, but yeah, girl. Just show y'all the backs again. There you go. And I'm definitely getting the red one. I think they got it in pink too. So I don't need no more bags. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.